Hi, so my name is Vidan Ukala. I'm a third year student at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, dual major in electrical engineering and computer science, and I'm also part of the research group called WISNED, Wisconsin Nano Engineering Device Laboratory, where we do low-level semiconductor fabrication with pretty unique materials, mainly like material science kind of stuff. And this is going to be a short series, hopefully, documenting my progress in my independent project called Open-litho. This is not a part of any of my classes or the research group, but I thought it'd be a cool independent project to do, which is to make a 3D printed, open source, easy to make maskless lithography system, which you should theoretically be able to build at your own home. You know, mainly using off-the-shelf components like 3D printed stuff you can buy from Amazon, and the most expensive either being a few components from official optical companies like Edmund Optics, and a projector. You need a DLP projector, which I got off eBay for like $40, so shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, let me show you some of the other work I've been working on. And so, as a part of this project, I was happy to think that it would be a good exercise in reading technical documentation and generally speaking, learning new things, which I think is a important part of being a good engineer. But yeah, as I'm showing you here, is a software called what was the name again? Aether, Aether. It was developed by a university in France, and honestly, it has the entire documentation that I need. Right now, this is a pretty basic overview of the setup I want to simulate. I went over this more in the logs that I have over on GitHub, but over here is just testing out if the compound lens setup that I calculated would actually result in a closer focus point as compared to the original projector. The projector can focus at anywhere between 3 and 18 meters, so I chose 6 meters as a good midpoint, giving me leeway in either way in case I need to change the focus for the later on in the project. But the optical setup on the right shows a compound lens setup, which should theoretically be focusing it to a point around 50 centimeters away compared to the 6 meters away that the optical setup on the left does. Now that's pretty basic, but another component that I've been working on is some basic CAD modeling. Again, nothing too serious, but it's good to be able to get some exercise on solving real world, I wouldn't say problems, but anything